ade nano zahagi kong a keshmish, which is shot a keshmish. Merry Christmas to everyone. Ado, got a special treat for you today, and probably in the next maybe 5, 6 lessons, we're going to be addressing a verb, but with many different nouns. Yet you also going to learn about what we call the 4 direction through the questioning, but also through what I call a sacred song. And the sacred song way up here in the corner, I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, there's one that has a goodie. Says Kat Nikinia, Kat Nikinia. And so after this lesson, I'll do a little singing based on what we learned today. Okay. So today we will learn about Quinn. So Quinn ha de ke kat. Quinn ha de kat Nikinia. So I can ask a question about it, and I can use that one way down at the bottom. Da Quinn ha de kat Nikinia, and your answer would be O Quinn de kat Nikinia. And let's go with Bessie. Bessie Shada so east. And if you go look way over here, Shada means south, means west. And I guess we can't highlight it. Oops, sorry. Okay, so anyway, Shada last column, Shada and Nahastan, and we'll learn about Wakat. All right. So anyway, let's say Bessie Shada de Kadnikinia. Bessie Shada south. That means underneath that place called Shada, southern area, southern sky. Kad means now. There's a now. Nikinia, way over here where they have. Okay, right here. Nikinia, he, she, it is going to walk. We'll be walking. All right. So the walking. All right. So it's a journey. It's start at the east. Shada Bessie. So we can say a question about Bessie. Bessie Shada the Kenya. We can say Hesh, using that Hesh idea. Hesh Shada the Kenya. And the answer would be Bessie Shada the Kenya. So we use O Quinn. We use Hesh with Bessie. And we can also use the word Had. And let's look at Teya the Kenya. We can say Teya Hade. That's where at. Where I remember the at. Where at. Teya Hade Kenya. And your answer would be Teya the Kenya. See that? We'll practice that. And then we'll also practice Ed Naho Conspi the Kenya. Sally Yadishish. So all the definitions are way over here on the last column. And Bob Nahastan Bakate. This one I didn't say Biyada because we really can't say Biyada with Mother Earth. But we can say Bakat means on top. So right here in the middle, blue column in the middle section, Biyada means under, Bakat means on top of. So Mother Earth, we're on top of Mother Earth. And Bob Nahastan Bakat. All right, so we'll see you in class. And then might, if we have time, we'll go back into Chititso. Next, New York, day. Okay,